I'm so excited to receive this today. So I have already guessed what is this, okay? So I think last month or the month before, we have this influencer competition for all beauty consultants to actually take part. And then today this came in at my doorstep, okay? So I'm going to unbox this, and then here we are. It's a bit tight. Okay, this came today, okay? It's from Mary Kay, and then I have already guessed what is this because I have saw some posting that some of the consultant have actually received this. So only the first 100 beauty consultant and sales director. So I'm going to open up in case it dropped out. Okay. So over here, there's a tip for perfect unboxing. Okay, so I have to actually do unboxing, okay, for this thing, and then there's some steps. Okay, I'm just going to show you all what is inside. Ta-da! It's so pretty, the box itself. It's the first time I have received such pretty package from Mary Kay. It comes with the Skinvigorate brush, Sonic brush, the second generation, and then it comes with the massage head, and of course the TimeWise 3D cleanser, which I love a lot. So I have been using the Skinvigorate Sonic brush for a while since it launched, and then it really cleans better, and of course the massage head as well. So it's a 2-in-1 thing, and this cleanser I've actually been using for also since it launched. Okay, so if let's say you want to know more about the products itself, do PM me. Okay, this is my unboxing.